Hi, I'm Underscore and I'm here to talk about how to troubleshoot Windows problems. We've all had them. There are frequent updates that seem to introduce new issues and cause headaches. Recently, I got a new Lexmark multifunction printer. After I installed the printer driver, my remote connection started dropping without even an error message. So, I knew I had to figure out what had changed. The first step, I found, was to use the event viewer. Windows logs go in here, and if you can decipher the language, you'll find the culprit that's causing the problem. There are all kinds of events there, so it's easy to get overwhelmed, but the good news is this usually narrows it down to one or two things. In my case, it was a driver from the printer software I had installed. I discovered this from a faulting application in the event log that pointed to the driver I had installed. From there, I was able to figure out what the issue was, and uninstalling the driver fixed the issue. If you're facing a similar problem and can't find the source, however, there's usually a workaround. Microsoft Store might have an alternative application that you can use. And it's always good to take to the forums and see if someone else has encountered the same problem. Finally, the key is to always ask yourself, what changed? Is there a log file? And are others experiencing the same issue? Answering these basic questions is the key to getting a bug-free system. Thanks for listening. I hope this guide helps when you find yourself trying to hunt down an annoying error.